What's up, y'all? It's your girl Black Barbie, and I'm back with another video. So today's video will be an unboxing with Original Queen hair. I finally got me a wig from them, so I'll be doing an unboxing on this company and showing y'all what I'm going to do to the wig, like washing it and making sure it's good and clean before I put it on my head. So make sure you comment, like, and subscribe below, and we'll be right back. So like I said, y'all, today is going to be an unboxing. I got this hair on Amazon. I'll make sure I put the link below so y'all can see where I exactly got it from. But like I said, the name is Original Queen hair. It's 100% human hair, and they have different styles. They have the kinky, curly, straight, body wave, deep wave, water wave, natural wave, loose wave, and loose deep. So this here is a kinky curly 16-inch wig. It came with a card that has like different ways to contact them. You can WhatsApp them, you can Instagram them, you can email them, and WeChat. And the next one I get 10% off, has a little coupon code on it. And then it talks about different things about their business, so that's nice to have. And it comes with wig caps, and there's 2 wig caps inside. So let's go ahead and open this up, and we'll be right back. The wig out of the little bag, and has an interesting scent to it. It doesn't stink, it just smells interesting. It smells like hair. That's what it smells like. I'm being extra. So took the little hairnet off that was on it. It kind of sticking to me. Must have some static somewhere. And then it has also this piece of paper inside to, I guess, help keep the shape. So in the wig, it is a 4x4 closure wig. I have to pluck this. Great. I don't be knowing what I'm doing. Okay. It is a closure wig. It has the lace on the front. Has combs on the inside. Has comb in the back. And it is kinky curly, like I said. I'm raking my hand through, as y'all can see. And not getting really any shedding. Alright, stay tuned. I'm going to put it on, not for long, but I'm going to put it on so y'all can see what it looked like a little bit. But I do want to wash it. I'm going to have to pluck it a little bit, so stay tuned for while I do that. So this is the, we're going to see a wig before and after. So this is the wig before I put any water on it, and before I, so now I'm getting a little shedding. Y'all see that? Just a little. It's not much. That's doable. So this is before I have plucked the part, just running my hands through the wig just to see how it's doing. But yeah, so this is before, and I'm going to pluck it and cut the lace, because also the lace is still on there. So I'll do all that, wash it, pluck it, all that good jazz, and then I will come back and show y'all. But I will let y'all see how I wash my kinky curly wigs. But stay tuned so y'all can see what I'm about to do. But right now, I'm kind of liking it. I'm kind of liking it. Basically, I can kind of also, I'm guessing, part it whichever way I want. So we'll see what I do here. But like I said, it's not much shedding. I think this is really all that just came off. So I'm loving this wig. It's the perfect length for the summer. It's not too long, so I think me and her gonna have a good time this summer. So stay tuned for 16 inches. This ain't bad because it is a curly wig. So stay tuned for my wash process, condition process, let it sit process, and yeah. Okay, y'all, so I'm filling this thing up with water right now so I can drop my wig in there. And I'm using a bucket because, I don't know, I just like using a bucket to wash my wig. I mean, I guess that way I can also keep a tab on where the hair goes so it's not going all in the sink. I am going to use some gloves because my nails are breaking, y'all, so bear with me here while I put some gloves on. So I'm going to take again my Creme of Nature coconut milk shampoo and just go ahead and put that on there. This right here is the amount of shedding that I had while washing it. Not very much, y'all. Not very much. So now I'm about to go through and put in this conditioner by the same company and all. Oops. So this conditioner right here I'm about to put in and kind of comb through it with my detangling brush. My knockoff denim brush. That's what I'm gonna do. Technical, this is like all the shedding from when I combed it out, from when I washed it. This is all the shedding right there. So it's not too bad, but it's not the best, but it's not too bad either because it is kinky curly hair. Okay, y'all, so I don't have any T-pins, so I'm just gonna go in and put some mousse on the hair while it's still a little damp, so the curls will be even more defined. So I am using the Creme of Nature mousse. I love this for even my own hair, y'all. It does wonders. And kind of define my part more. Still debating on if I'm gonna pluck it, because now that I've kind of like put the mousse on and everything, the part is becoming more and more defined. Alright y'all, we're back, and as y'all know, we are reviewing the original Queen 16-inch Kinky curly wig. And I have washed it, and y'all saw how I washed it. I put mousse on it, and do y'all see this? I love it. It is big and has lost some of its curls because I was too anxious to comb some of it out. So I would suggest like just holding the ends, because it will basically like get poofy, not frizzy, but poofy, and lose some of its curls. But y'all see this? Like, and I picked the, y'all know what I'm talking about. I picked that, you know. So this is really the wig, and I love it. I love it. Like, for real, y'all. Like, this is going to be my everyday wig. Angle y'all a little bit so y'all can see it a little better. But this is going to be my everyday wig, y'all. Am I working it or not? Like, it is so perfect. This is exactly what I wanted for an everyday wig. Like, it's nice and curly, and I probably will do some more picking to it eventually. But right now, it's cute. I'm feeling myself a little bit. But like I said, this is original Queen hair. There's 16-inch Kinky curly wig. And once again, so we can review, it comes with this inside the wig and this on top, along with a cap and a card that gives you information about them. So, y'all, go on Amazon. I'm going to put the link below. Go on Amazon and get y'all this Kinky curly wig if you're looking for an everyday wig, because this is it. Like, for real, for real. I hope I can achieve this again, y'all. I tend to do stuff the first time and be like, okay, let me try it again, and not able to do it the second time. But this is, and it's so light, like, okay, y'all. But thank y'all for watching, and y'all know what it is. Black Barbie is